Every 37 seconds, according to the FBI statistics of 2024, in July 31st, it says more than 145,000 rapes took place. Again, you multiply, that it comes to 32 seconds. Every 32 seconds, one rape is taking place. You know, I'm giving this lecture in the last about 2 hours. About 2 hours, 10 minutes. So in 2 hours, more than 2 hours, already more than 120 rapes may have taken place. Since the time I'm giving this talk, more than 120 rapes may have taken place in USA. In Islamic Sharia, if you rape a woman, you get death penalty. Death penalty. The Islamic system is wear hijab. A man, if he looks at a woman, lower his gaze, woman wears the hijab. After that, if a man rapes a woman, capital punishment, death penalty. Non-Muslims say, oh, death penalty in this age of science and technology, Islam is a barbaric religion. And when I ask them the question, hypothetically, suppose someone rapes your mother, and if the rapist is brought in front of you, what punishment will you give to the rapist? Believe me, 100%. All of them said, we will give him death penalty. Some went to the extent of saying, we will torture him to death. So if someone rapes your mother, you want to give death penalty. Somebody rapes somebody else's mother, you said death penalty, barbaric law. Why these double standards? I'm asking you the question that if you implement the Sharia, the Islamic law in USA today, that any man looks at a woman, he should lower his gaze. After that, the woman wears the Islamic hijab, complete body covered. The only part that can be seen are the face and hands up to the wrist. And after this, any man rapes a woman, capital punishment, death penalty. I'm asking you the question, will the rate of rape in USA, will it increase? Will it remain the same or will it decrease? It will increase, it will remain the same or it will decrease? Decrease. Simple answer. You don't get an award for that. You implement the Sharia, you get results. So that's the reason Islam, by doing hijab, uplifts the woman. It is the Western talk of women's liberalization, which is nothing but a disguised form of exploitation of a body, deprivation of honor, degradation of a soul. The Western society, when it talks about women's right, women's liberalization, they are nothing but changing the status of a woman to that of a concubine, to that of a mistress, to that of a society butterfly, which are mere tools in the hands of pleasure seekers and sex marketeers, which are hidden behind the colorful screen of art and culture. In the name of art and culture, they are degrading our mothers, degrading our wives, degrading our sisters. You know, when you have the advertisement, I was told that there was an advertisement of BMW. You know BMW? It's supposed to be for the youngsters, a very fast car, you know. Fast car, a competition with Mercedes. I was told there was an advertisement of BMW. And in the advertisement, there was a girl standing in front of the car. A young girl standing with bikini in front of the car. And the ad read, test drive her now. Who? The girl or the car? Now who drives cars more? Men. They are selling our daughters, selling our wives, selling our mothers. You see an ad of a motorcycle. Now how many women ride motorcycles? Men ride. So what they do? With a motorcycle you'll have a woman. What is the woman doing in the ad? For what? Attracting. So in the name of women's right, what are they doing? They're selling your daughters. They're selling your mothers. They're selling your wives. So be careful of this trick